Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can enable these floating windows on different mobiles. See here, this is the floating window, right? The YouTube app, I just kept this as the floating window. So this is nothing mobile, nothing 4A mobile, and this is Motorola Edge 50. So this is Motorola mobile and this is Realme mobile. So first I'll start with this nothing, right? So let me first close this. Okay, on nothing, go to your phone settings and then you need to set the navigation into gesture navigation into just search as gestures. Okay, open this gestures and click on these gestures and click on the navigation mode and choose this navigation mode instead of 3-button mode to the gesture mode. 3-button mode is this, right? You need to choose gesture mode. You only if and only if you keep this gesture mode only, this will work. So now I'm clearing. Now I'll be opening the YouTube app. See here. Now the action is from here, just swipe this so that this window comes up. Not only this, say for example, if I open another app like say maybe Tata Play, right? And here also I can just swipe this and leave it here. So now two apps, I can switch between the apps by tapping on this. Now this YouTube, right? And if I want to open say another app, Google Home or WhatsApp or Instagram, so as a floating window you can just switch between them. So we'll keep this aside. Coming to the Motorola H50, say for example, this is simple, no need to add anything. Just I'm opening the YouTube app and click on this recent apps, this one, these recent apps, and here you will get three options: lock and this floating window option. As soon as you tap that window will be appearing like this. So now I'll be opening the Chrome app and click on the recent apps, and again this symbol floating window, and this comes as the floating window. Now here I can click on the YouTube. See here, I can use, means I can play a video on the YouTube. See here, currently the YouTube video is playing, and at the same time I can use two floating windows. I can minimize this, I can minimize this. See here, Chrome, YouTube, floating window, I can close this, and YouTube I can minimize this. And coming back to the what is this, Realme mobile, this is Realme, right? And here also no extra settings here, directly say for example if you are watching the YouTube and if you want to make this as the floating window, click on this recent apps. So here you will get this three dots for every app. See here, okay, three dots at the top, and click on these three dots and you will see floating window. Tap on this floating window, so this becomes the floating window. Now what I'll do is I'll be opening another app, maybe like Google TV app, and then click on this recent apps and click on these three dots. Sorry, maybe I can open another app and click on this recent apps, and on the three dots tap on this and click on, okay, maybe I can just minimize this, and now floating window, right? So now I have two floating windows, Google TV one and this YouTube one, right? See, like this you can use floating windows in different sort of mobiles. Even this option is there in Xiaomi mobiles and or this Samsung mobiles also. Please do comment your mobile, and I have shown you in three mobiles, Motorola and also on the nothing. Yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.